नमस्कार देव बरो दीस तुमकां सगळ्यांक. आयज आमी हांगा गोगटे इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टॅक्नॉलॉजी जे आमच्या फाटल्यान दिश्टी पडटा थंयसर आसा. एक गोंय आनी बेळगांव हांच्या मदें जे कांय एक संस्था आसात एक बॉन्डिंग करपी, तातूंत गोगटे इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टॅक्नॉलॉजीचो रोल खूब म्हत्वाचो आसा. म्हाका दिसता ह्या फाटल्या एक 40-44 वर्सां भितर गोंयांतावन जायते इंजिनियर्स ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटा भितरल्यान भायर सरल्यात. आतां ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूट बद्दल आमकां म्हायती दितले हांगाचे डीन, हांगाचो ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटाचो चेअरमन आनी सगळे विद्यार्थी. पळयत ते कितें म्हणटात. आयज हांव त्या संस्थेंत आसा ज्या संस्थेंतल्यान म्हाका दिसता गोंयांतले अर्द्याच्या भायर इंजिनियर्स हे आयज ह्या संस्थेंतल्यान भायर सरल्यात आनी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांनी ते चमकतात. हांव आसा गोगटे इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टॅक्नॉलॉजी, दॅट इज KLS Gogte Institute of Technology is one of the most premier engineering and management institute in the region. It has earned accolades not only in this region but also it has its reputation across the nation. So I'm here and I'll be speaking to the chairman of the governing council of GIT, that is Gogte Institute of Technology, Mr. Raj Belagavi. Mr. Raj Belagavi is a noted entrepreneur and a professional in this region, but at the same time he has been serving the society selflessly, and he has as a chairman for past 3 years, and he has done a wonderful job to get the brand GIT to reach out to not only in the region but across the nation. Over to Mr. Raj Belagavi, who will speak about GIT.
Hi, Louis. So nice to talk to you, and wonderful to meet you. GIT has had a wonderful journey. We were established 44 years ago. There was no engineering college in Belgaum at that time, but today our alumni, whether they are from Goa, Karnataka or from anywhere, now they are fanned out all across the world. And because GIT has gained a reputation of providing excellent education in a beautiful city with beautiful weather and a lifestyle that is cherished by so many people, because there is such a cosmopolitan vibe in Belgaum. Lifestyle is good here, and so for learning and building a career, GIT is a great destination. And we have always had Belgaum and Goa are so close to each other. People from Belgaum travel to Goa so often, and people from Goa come here so often. It is almost like a family affair, and so anybody from Goa can feel at home in Belgaum, and that's a historical fact. But for engineering education, and we have so many branches. We have our traditional branches, which is civil, mechanical, electrical, but then all of these modern branches, electronics, computer science, AI, ML, information science, and we also have a department of architecture which produces leading architects of India, including some of them in Goa. So it's a very complete educational entity. We also have courses like MCA and MBA on campus. So it's a buzzing campus. Academics are highly prized. Our library is wonderful. Our computer center is top of the line. But it is also our cultural life, our aura. Like just recently, we had Shreya Ghoshal perform at GIT. It was one of the best concerts one can see, and every year we get somebody like that. But then we have concerts, rock concerts. Our students, we have our own bands. Our students perform. We are doing very well in sports. Our students, you will catch them playing football on the side any evening you come. So there is a lot of 360-degree activity happening, not just studying but also a good life. There are a lot of clubs in the college, so your life will be rich. And 4 years from now for engineering, and 5 years if you're doing architecture, later you will feel like you have studied engineering but also developed as a human being. And that is the specialty of KLS GIT, because we repeatedly get our successful alumni, whether they are in India, whether they are abroad, to come back to our college and talk to our students, motivate them, help them, mentor them, that is what GIT is about. So I'm so happy that you have come to Belgaum to talk to us, and we look forward to a continuing partnership with students from Goa who we welcome, and we will be more than happy to help them out if they need to study here.
How about the placement opportunities the GIT offers? What's the rate of ratio of placements, or which major companies that you are dealing with?
Yeah. Our placements are among the best in the state of Karnataka, especially in fields like computer science and electronics and information science. I think this year, because the season is still going on, we are still not complete, but one student has already got a 45 lakhs placement at a company, at an American multinational. So our placement record is among the best, is a stellar record. The numbers, the specific numbers are available on our website, but they're pretty high. And our students, not only in these branches, but also in branches like mechanical, civil, electrical, get placed in excellent companies. Companies like standard companies like TCS come to us, and there are many other companies, whether they are Indian companies or multinationals. Our placement activity is very, very vigorous.
Why do you think Goans should prefer GIT? Could you give elaborate some of the reasons?
Sure. First of all, they'll feel at home. So many languages are spoken in Belgaum, and Konkani is not a foreign language here. You will find enough number of people speaking Konkani. Cuisine is available, culturally very rich. There are lots of things that are happening in town and in college, and our staff, we have a mechanism by which students are assigned a staff mentor. So though you may be away from home, you have an adult to look up to whenever you have some questions, queries, whatever. We have an on-site counselor also at the college, and our staff, because many of our staff have worked in our college for more than a decade. So that is one of the hallmarks of GIT, the staff retention, which is a good sign for us, that our staff retention is so high, and they have a sense of institutional memory, and they treat it as their own home. That is one of our finest assets is our staff, and that is what will percolate to students who come here. They will feel cared for, they will feel nurtured, plus they are very close to home. So that is why it is an ideal location for them to come to at a very high level engineering college.
What will be your brief message to the Goan students and parents?
My message to parents first is you should feel safe thinking about KLS GIT as a destination for your child. And for the child, you can look forward to a good life, both education, cultural, social. So you should feel at home coming to KLS GIT. It should be your destination.
Thank you. So this is Raj Pelgaonkar, who has stated that he has endorsed the bond between Belgaum and Goa, and perhaps he has gone little ahead and extended his affection and love for the Goan students who will be taken care of in a proper way. He feels that they will be very comfortable here.
Hello, I am Digambar Kulkarni, Dean Administration of Gogte Institute of Technology, and I have been here in this post for the last 10 years. Gogte Institute of Technology, run by KLS Trust, is in this service for the last 44 years, and it is known for imparting value-based education to the Karnataka and surrounding states. We have 9 UG branches, 6 PG branches and 10 research center, including MBA, MCA, architecture. And our total intake is about 1300 per annum every year. and we get students from Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and neighboring states. We give thrust on merit for admissions, and we have faculty strength of 250 plus. We also have centers of excellence in Dassault, EV, Nano, Astrophysics. The management is very progressive, and we always look out for development in educational field. Many students from Goa take admissions in GIT through either the management quota or the Comet K quota for engineering, and we are happy about their performance. The relationship between students of Goa and GIT is very close, being the neighboring state, and culturally also they match well with Belgavi and their native place.
I am Dr. M.S. Patil, Principal of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology, Belagavi. The institute was started in the year 1979 under the banner of Karnataka Law Society. Presently, the institute has 7 BE programs, 1 BArs program, MBA, and MCA, 4 MTech programs, and also we have 1 BSc Honours program. The institute is affiliated to Vishweshwara Technological University as well as recognized by AICTE and UGC. KLS GIT became autonomous in the year 2015, and we have autonomous status up till 2031. The institute is accredited by NAC with A+ grading subsequently twice. Programs at the GIT programs UG and PG are accredited by MBA as well. The institute being autonomous, we have very good industry connect. We run many courses which are in the emerging technologies, so that the students when they go for the placements or they go for their employment, they are at the forefront, they are ready for the jobs. The courses, we have the BOS panels, we have many inputs from our alumni, we have inputs from the faculties from IITs, we have inputs from the faculty from industries as well. For the curriculum, if you see the curriculum at GIT, it encompasses all the emerging technologies in the present scenario. Yes, the students, the admissions of the students are from Karnataka, we have from border Maharashtra, as well as we have many students from Goa. Students from Goa at GIT is not a new thing. Since very long, there is a very good bond between KLS GIT and the students of the Goa. I really thank the parents and students at GIT for preferring GIT as one of their preferred institutions for admissions. The students have really flourished well, and they have done well when being at GIT with other different courses. Placements at GIT, yes, they are good. Even in this season, we are having very good placements from many MNCs. Placements are not only in circuit branches, but also placements are good in the core branches such as mechanical also. 2 different branches, civil engineering and architecture, are also doing well, and we believe there will be the same type of encouragement even in future from the parents and students of Goa for GIT. Yeah, I only request and humbly request the students of Goa as well as the parents of Goa. As earlier they were preferring GIT, I believe GIT is there in their mind and soul and heart. I request the same type of encouragement and cooperation from the students of GIT, and they take admissions at GIT.
Dr. V.V. Kulkarni, Dean Academics Statutory. Well, our college was started in the year 1979, and our college has got autonomous status in the year 2015. We are presently running 8 UG programs, 1 BSc Honours, 4 MTech programs, 1 MBA and 1 MCA programs. Our college has NAC accreditation with A+ twice, that is in Cycle 1 and Cycle 2. And departments like computer science, mechanical, electronics and MCA are NBA accredited. We have a total faculty strength of around 250, of which 90 plus are PhD holders, and we have a total student strength of around 4,200. for this academic year 2024-25, we have applied for 3 new programs, that is Computer Science in AI and ML, 4 years integrated MBA and 4 years integrated MC.
I am Dr. Vikas Gingine, Dean Infrastructure of KLS Gogte. KLS Gogte is spread across 22 acres of lush green campus in the cool city of Belagavi. We have around 100 plus ICT-enabled classrooms, well-equipped labs in all the departments. For activities, we have 400-seater auditorium, seminar halls, open quadrangles where students do all of cultural events. For sports, we have an open ground, basketball courts, volleyball courts, indoor sports complex, and gym where students do the physical activities. We also have a separate boys and girls hostel for our students. We have a fleet of around 15 buses which carry our students from the local parts of the city and also up to the city of Khanapur. More or less, we also have the canteens, eateries, mess for all types of students, for all types of meals. The students enjoy their free time.
Myself, Satish Deshpande, Dean Student Affairs of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. In GIT, in addition to academics, we also give importance to curricular and extracurricular activities for the students through our student clubs and chapters available in GIT. Anti-ragging and student counseling activities, initiatives are taken up regularly for well-being of the student community. Also, a flagship event, Aura, is conducted every year to refresh the minds of students and faculty.
Hi, I'm Arun Kumar, the Dean Academics Development of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. From being an affiliated institution to one of the most sought after autonomous institutions in this part of Karnataka, KLS Gogte has made tremendous advancements by adopting new pedagogies as well as new technologies. The curriculum consists of skill enhancement courses, core courses, electives, pure lab courses, programming language courses which help in the overall academic development of the students. GIT also offers many certification programs in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, nanotechnology and additive manufacturing, to name a few. The courses on universal human values, social connect, scientific foundation for health, etc. add a new dimension to the personality of a student. KLS GIT also ties up with a lot of industries to offer their open electives and professional electives, wherein the industry experts come to GIT or our students go there and the curriculum is delivered and taught by the industry experts. We also have a Center of Excellence in additive manufacturing, noise, vibration and harshness, microwave studies, nanotechnology and astrophysics. Outcome-based education is actively practiced at GIT. As part of the digital transformation, the institute has been actively adopting the virtual labs and flipped classroom concepts. In addition to that, Google Classroom is actively used by all the faculty members for disseminating videos, lectures and other information required for active teaching learning. The IT integration has also reformed the autonomous system to a great extent, because right from admission to the academics to the exam conduction to the announcement of result, everything is taken care by the IT system in the autonomous setup. We at KLS GIT believe in striving for excellence through sincere and dedicated efforts.
No, myself Sukesh Bhosle here. I am a localite itself. I am in this college since 2 years. I am in the Department of Architecture. Our Department of Architecture is excellent in the whole Belgaum, and it is a A+ grade architecture department. We have conducted many international webinars. We also conduct workshops from all where master architects have come from all across the India. We also conduct study tours where we go about 10 to 11 days for other countries, which not even other countries, other states which are rich in architectural characters, to learn about more. The faculty in our department has profound knowledge about all architectural things, which gives us a very good foundation for architectural studies, and also help us to think out of the box and explore new ideas about how the things go on, and also help us to build the environment good around the whole cities.
हांव योवेला रॉड्रिगीज हांव गोंयचे चांदोर सालसेटांत रावतां. हांव आतां बेलगांवांत येयलां आर्किटेक्चर शिकपा आमचे कॉलेजींत KLS गोगटे इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजींत. हांव डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरांत शिकयतां आनी आमचे डिपार्टमेंट खूब बरें. हिंगा जायतीं वर्कशॉप्स, वेबिनार्स, हँड्स ऑन वर्कशॉप्स आनी आमकां अशें करून भायर स्टडी टुरां करता आमचे एक्सपोजर जावपा आनी अशें करून बरें आमगे डेवलपमेंट जावपा. आमची फॅकल्टी बीन बरी आसात, आमकां हेल्प करता आनी आमकां प्रॉपर गायड करतात. कॉलेज खूब बरें.
हॅलो एवरीवन, म्हजें नांव विनस डायस. हांव सिरसी कर्नाटकाच्यान येता. हांव GIT कॉलेजांत आर्किटेक्चर डिपार्टमेंटान शिकता. 4th सेमिस्टर म्हजें सेमिस्टर. हांव कॉलेजाक येयले तेन्ना हांव चिंतलें इट बी जस्ट ओनली आर्किटेक्चर, बट हांगा येवन कळ्ळें की देर आर मेनी मोर थिंग्स. हांव एक्चुली नासा पार्टिसिपेट केला, वीच इज अ नॅशनल लेवल. आमकां एक्सपोजर मेळटा, कॉम्पिटिशन्स, ट्रॉफीज करूंक आनी दुसरी कॉलेजा सांगता इंटरॅक्ट करूंक. एंड ऑल्सो आमचें कॉलेज रिसेंटली 25 इयर्स सेलिब्रेट केला. खंय आमकां आदली आर्किटेक्ट्स, सिनियर आर्किटेक्ट्स आनी एल्युमनाय सगळीं मेळूंक पडली. म्हजें एक्सपिरियन्स 2 वर्स आर्किटेक्चरान खूब बरें जाला.
Hello, I am Dr. Rupali Kavilkar, an architect by profession. I am working as a professor in the Department of Architecture at KLS GIT, Belgaum. Our department has completed 26 years of excellence in academic and architectural pedagogy. We have been ranked as 28th nationwide by India Today, and our alumni are spread across India and are practicing architecture, urban design, landscape, interior design, and even product design. They have done their masters across London, or in Germany, or in America, Australia, Singapore, and other places. I take pride in saying that we're doing a very good architectural pedagogy in GIT, Belgaum.
Myself Vasudha Rani. I am from 4th Sem IS department.
Name Shraddha Kumbar from 4th Sem IS department.
I'm Gauri Nayak, 4th Sem EC department.
Adarsh Patil, 4th Sem ISC.
Okay, the college is fine, campus and everything is great, and education wise also they are doing great. And we just had a placement meeting where we were given some instruction for the next upcoming placement activities. Yeah, altogether it's nice, and we are having fun time with friends also. There's nothing that we are doing only studies and no fun. Everything is good.
My name is Anshu Sonwalkar and I'm from 4th semester Computer Science department. I'm currently interning at Daimler Truck Innovation Center, India. So yeah, the past 4 years in GIT has been a very great experience. It helped me a lot in my character development, and it helped us in many different aspects which will help us in the future of our life. It made me open up a lot. It gave me exposure to different opportunities and etc. So yeah, I was a very shy kind of a person before I joined engineering, but I got an opportunity to be a part of the student council, be the head of our computer science department student chapter. So it was a great experience, helped us to build our confidence, and it gave us a lot of opportunity to build leadership skills, teamwork.